Hey, it's Trisa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my crafting room. It's been a while since my last Scrunchies tutorial. Here I am, back with Scrunchie tutorial, a scrunchie with beautiful tails. I promise the template will be very easy to make. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, let's start with the scrunchie. What's a scrunchie without a scrunchie? I'm using satin fabric. You can also use cotton fabric. I would say satin fabric is best for making scrunchie. It won't leave a visible mark on our hair after long hours of wearing it. But you're welcome to use cotton fabric. It has many beautiful patterns that we can't find on satin fabric. The size for scrunchie is 50 by 8 centimeters. With the right sides together, fold it in half and sew a straight line. I have a little secret to make it easy to finish the scrunchie for later. Place the seam in the center, open the seam, press it, then fold a little. It would be much easier to finish the scrunchie before we turn the fabric this way. And finally press it once again. Make sure that you don't skip this part. To turn the long piece of fabric, I like to use a loop turner. If you sew regularly, I will suggest you to buy one because it's very affordable. Purchase link is in the description. If you don't have this, you can use a safety pin. Check out my previous video on the top right about how to turn a fabric using a safety pin. Insert the loop turner. Hook the fabric on the other side. Then pull it out. Prepare an elastic band. My elastic band is 1.2 centimeters wide. The length for my hair is 18 centimeters. If you have thicker hair, you can use 20 or 25 centimeters. I still use a loop turner to insert the elastic band. Once again, if you don't have a loop turner, safety pins are the easiest tools to find. Secure it here. Then continue pulling. Make sure the elastic band isn't twisted. Overlap together. Then randomly sew the elastic band. Tuck the fabric inside. It's easy if we press it earlier. Then close the scrunchie. Once again, the seam here shouldn't be twisted, just like the elastic band, or else the result won't be good. Don't worry about the seam here, it will be hidden once we attach the beautiful tails. Put the scrunchie aside. Now we are going to make template for the beautiful tails. Prepare a paper with the size 17 by 7 centimeters. If you want the measurement in inches, you can comment below. I'll try to make another short video for the measurement in inches. Mark 10 centimeters from upper left, 8 centimeters from lower left, 2 centimeters on the side. That's it. Connect the dots with curvy lines to draw the template. As promised, it's super easy. Cut out the template and your template is ready to go. We need 2 pieces of fabric. This is my leftover fabric, so it's not at the same size. I would say that the fabric size should be twice the size of our template. We are going to draw it on both sides. So prepare your marker. I use fabric marker that's easily washed with just water. Purchase link is in the description. Don't worry, I always provide you with affordable materials on my sewing projects. Draw the template on the fabric. Sew exactly on the marker. Leave an opening in the middle. When sewing a curvy line, I will leave the needle down, lift up the presser foot, and adjust the fabric. Cut out the shape. I prefer to sew it first, then cut out the shape, rather than cut out the shape, then sew it later. I find it's tidier this way. If you want to make your scrunchies look more professional, I highly recommend you to draw it first, then sew it later. Trim all the curvy part to make the tails less bulky after we turn it inside out. Be extra careful not to cut through the threads. You don't want to start all over again. Turn the fabric inside out. Use pointy staff to push the inside. Press the fabric. Remember, pressing is the key to professional looking stuff. Scrunch the center part, fold it back and forth. Then tie it with sewing thread. Using the same thread, attach the tail to the scrunchie. For any sewing projects, use matching sewing threads. I always use contrasting color to make it easier to see. To finish the scrunchie, prepare a small piece of fabric. 12 by 4 centimeters is enough. Fold to the center, fold in half, then press it flat down. Attach to the center, then sew it for finishing. Cut the excess fabric. Flip it over. You can hide all the seams this way. Attach some glue if you want to make it stays in place. That's it. Our scrunchie with beautiful tails is finished. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Any questions, write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye!